everybody, it's Bunny. Today, the adventure continues to find the best deals on clearance makeup. I'm actually addicted to clearance makeup hunting now. Does something twice, claims to be addicted. Like, how vanilla is that? But I had a lot of fun searching for the best deals for clearance makeup with you guys a couple of weeks ago in our last Follow Me Around adventure, and a lot of you guys recommended to me that I go to TJ Maxx. A bunch of you commented saying that TJ Maxx is the other one that is really good for makeup besides Marshall's, because we went to a couple of different Marshalls, we went to Ross, we went to Nordstrom Rack, and basically everything was trash except for Marshall's. No offense. They had other deals on like clothing and handbags and stuff, but Marshall's was really the only place that I found good deals on makeup. This is my first TJ Maxx experience in a really long time. Not my first like ever in life. As always, I am getting started on my day at 7:15 at night. So the sun is leaving. Okay, quick question though, like where do flat earthers think the sun goes? Okay, I'm gonna set you in the back of the trunk. Outfits, clothes, I'm wearing them. Shoes match my shirt. I can't lift my leg up that high, but it matches. I woke up today with not one, but two new Shin-Zits. That one looks so gnarly. That cheeseburger diet is really working out for me, you guys. I'm trying to go in the outdoor. Engage earthworm. Yes. And we're inside. Not gonna commit to grabbing a shopping cart yet because who knows? Like, are they gonna have a good selection here? Is it gonna be 5 pencil shavings and a used palette? I don't know, but that was a short walk. Like, beauty is right inside the door. What we're dealing with. Those sunglasses, very cute. Not sure why they're under lock and key. Ton of perfume, shampoo, hair stuff, but it looks like we only have one aisle. Some palettes and stuff. This section down here mostly looks like tools, brushes, sponges, and nail polish. I still think Marshall's has a much bigger selection. This seems to have, once again, kind of like Ross, a lot of lotions, things like that. Also, I hear somebody coughing, and I am not about that life. Thank you so much. Mostly, it just looks like drugstore products. There is one Bare Minerals foundation, the exact same foundation we already found at Marshall's, has the exact same pricing. We have a Becca powder. It looks like a couple Anastasia Beverly Hills stick foundations. I don't even see any palettes really, so to speak. Everything looks like a little bit picked over. I am kind of living for these baskets. Literally, like, pull it out like that. It becomes rolling luggage. Oh my god. I'm gonna roll my happy ass right back over to the makeup section and see. Okay, I'm tempted to look at handbags. Oh my god, what is this? This is so cute. I've never heard of the brand Lily Bloom. I just wish it didn't have brown. That should be black. I don't feel like, honestly, there's much here, but I'm gonna do a tad more digging. I am in the suburbs right now, and I kind of feel like maybe my selection would be better if I went like more into the city, like closer to actual Houston city limits. Oh my gosh. But there is a cute little makeup eraser. It's a mini, but I almost feel like I should get it. Okay, let's do a basket toss. Can I make it in this tiny rolly basket? Okay, basket toss. Basket toss. Okay, it hit the basket. It was so close. Also, this feels slightly oily. Like maybe somebody like took a little lick. Questionable. Basket toss. If I make it, you have to leave a like. Okay. Basket toss! Basket toss! Oh my god, okay. Skill level 5,000. You You guys, they actually have like really good fragrances here. I'm surprised. We have Beautiful from Este Lauder. I genuinely want to smell Marc Jacobs Cucumber. I never even knew that this was a thing. Oh my gosh. Okay, this is kind of cool. And I overlooked it, but we have a BH Cosmetics brush set, $12.99. It says compare at $17. Gold infused blenders. Pure jam. For whatever reason, I looked down, I saw this palette, and I thought it said eye farts. Why would I want something that says eye farts? why is that appealing to me? Send help. It looks like the best items here are things we've already seen at Marshall's. We have a Naked Skin highlighting fluid though in Luminous. This looks like the least tampered with one I've seen. I'm seeing lots of e.l.f., lots of Physicians Formula. Just trying to take a thumbnail like this in the middle of the store. Why not? It's so weird, you guys. I wanted to get another one of these ABH stick foundations slash contour sticks, but every single one looks like it's been sliced open. Somebody just stuck a fingernail in that. Ultimately, I don't know how makeup ends up from like Sephora and Ulta into discount stores. I can't resist. I'm gonna look at those blue sunglasses, you guys. These sunglasses were Celine and they say that they were $425, $129, now marked down to $69. I can't resist. I love this color blue. I'm gonna check out. We're gonna get out of here. We are outside, and just like last time, the journey continues. I'm gonna try and make it to one more TJ Maxx just so I can kind of get a sampling, because I feel like if I just go to one store and be like, that one was kind of crap, I'm not really giving you guys the full tea. I feel like I have to sit to focus. Anybody else like that? Also hear like sounds of people screaming over there. I can't tell if it's screaming or singing. I was about to be like, oh, it's a beautiful Friday evening, clouds, sunset, birds chirping, and people screaming in the distance. All right, everybody, we are at TJ Maxx number 2. I'm ready for Vogue in this lighting. I'm hoping we're gonna have better makeup luck with this location. Dang it. Well, these are fun too. I was kind of hoping we were gonna get rolling luggage carts again, but I like the double decker basket. Jeez. Oopsie, I forgot. Engage earthworm. Yes. And we're inside. Ooh. Look at this fun luggage. Ooh, I like the bright yellow. Quite apparently, I can hit it with a wrecking ball. Oh my god. We also have this magic cloud luggage. Ooh, that's juicy couture. I do love the taxi yellow though. Oh my god. It matches my outfit. That means I have to buy it. Is yellow my color of the year? Every time I see yellow, it makes my intestines tingle. Sounds like they're playing like Cyndi Lauper. It's probably not Cyndi Lauper. It's probably like Taylor Swift. I just don't know the difference. I am living for the Tommy Hilfiger moment. Although I've been looking for a vintage Tommy Hilfiger barrel, like a mini duffel bag. Do you know what I mean? I always love a mini duffel bag, even though those sort of defy all purpose and logic, because if you're gonna carry a duffel bag, it's so you can put a lot of pickles in it. So why would you want a mini sized one of those? I see the makeup in yon distance. Oh boy. It sort of looks the same as the last one though, but they do have caboodle doodles. Blue. I feel like I want to buy everything that's yellow and blue right now. Looks like the same. Maybe, unfortunately, even just a little bit less. Looks like this is mostly bath products. We have some perfume again. Lots of hair products again, you guys. If y'all need any like bedhead or chi, head to TJ Maxx. Oh my god, they have the creme shop. The creme shop. I don't know why this is disturbing to me, but it says 100% human hair. Where Where did these hairs come from? Somebody come for me. We're gonna buy them. I'm gonna tell y'all what I've been on the search for the whole time. I believe it's Makeup Revolution brand. I'm like on the search for something and I don't even know what it is. It's a set of heart makeup. It looks like it would have been an item for Valentine's Day. Like it's a full set of heart blushes and bronzers. I've been seeing people post about them like crazy on Instagram, and I have been to like 3 Marshalls, 2 TJ Maxx, and I haven't found a single one. Glam Glow Power Mud, that is $35. It was $59. I found one of those foot peeling masks. Should I try it? I feel like that panda, like from the videos I've seen of people trying these things, like I am sweating too. Please tell me why I want this dress. 0 reasons to buy it, 0 places to wear it, and yet I'm still tempted. $100. Felt cute. Might delete this whole vlog later. It is a snuggle tail, like a mermaid tail snuggie. I love these things. I feel like this is a trend that has kind of come and gone with the sequins that you flip. It's kind of like I've just now discovered it. I'm like 2 years behind everybody else. It's only $24. Do you guys want a candle that smells like breath? I don't need Google. My mother knows everything. They sell crystals? Who knew I could come to TJ Maxx and not only find clearance makeup, but also get my aura cleansed. I've seen these at Sephora before, and I must admit I'm always intrigued. Anti-aging copper sleep set. 2 satin pillowcases and a sleep mask. Here's another one. Morning Glamour satin pillowcase. You guys, what kind of satin is this? This literally feels like rubber. This feels like it is stuffed with down feathers, and it's like a little lavender makeup bag. Can she do it? Can she basket toss? Look, this is a long shot, okay? And that's a tiny basket. Basket toss. Basket toss. No, I'm standing in a wall of brassieres. Basket toss. Look at this Betsy Johnson butterfly necklace. We have Marc Jacobs in the house.
Attention TJ Maxx shoppers. The time now is 9:45 and our store will be closing in 15 minutes.
Look at what I've boogie-oogie-oogied right in front of. It's like a Tins? I think it's a Tins. I have taken it to the limit one more time. Decided that instead of just doing a full face of TJ Maxx makeup, I want to do a TJ Maxx Marshalls makeover. So I ended up maybe getting some clothes too, and also a mermaid tail. Lots of cute all black clothing. I'm gonna run to the dressing room so I can try on all of this stuff. I am so torn whether to get this yellow Sam Edelman jacket. Do I get this raincoat? I think I walked out with a little bit more than what I needed. I did not think that I was gonna be here until 10 o'clock. I feel like I have been in this TJ Maxx for 3 hours. It's absurd. I got maybe like 0.25% of the makeup that I did in all of my previous Marshalls runs. Today's journey concludes. Let me know about y'all's TJ Maxx's. Like, do you kind of feel the same way where it's like Marshalls for makeup, TJ Maxx for clothing, accessories, and stuff like that? Like, I found a ton of cute workout clothing, lots of handbags and stuff, like a really good selection of those kinds of items. I would like to hear if you guys out there have similar shopping experiences. I think one of my upcoming videos is going to be a haul and kind of like the scalding hot tea about the quality of products that you get from these discount stores. Like, I have been doing a lot of research and the results are pretty wild. Hopefully you guys had fun shopping around with me today. Thank y'all so much for hanging out today and for watching. If you're not already and you'd like to be, hit the button down below, subscribe, become a member of the Swamp family, and give an alligator its wings. I love you guys so much, and I will see y'all again very soon. Bye!